Wow! Nahilo ko dyan.
Siguro kasi sinasabayan ko lagi yung trip ng live. Kaya kung ano yan, nakahawak mo.
Parang ako wala akong boyfriend.
Oh my God!
Ano? Ayos ba?
Si Mark ang very wholesome. Oh, eh.
Happy New Year. Ako nagre-rehearse kami.
Hi love, may kakasal na tayo. Grabe, sobrang saya ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano
Hindi, sabi lang niya, parang message.
Ito yung
Wala akong ganyan.
Ha? Ginagawa ko na. Ang chat tawag niya. Resign, Andrew, resign.
Huwag kang mag-alala, forever uling sasabayan ng kita. Dahil mo, ano regalo ko sa'yo? Ano pag-usapan natin? Promise sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari, sasamahan kita sa kahit anong step na gusto mo gawin sa buhay. Magkasama natin gagawin yun. Good or bad, pagsasamahan natin yun. Yun lang. I love you.
Kaya mo yan,
Ah, meron din. Bakit saan galing yun?
Sa akin. Hinihingan ako kanina.
Alam mo, nagkamali sila kasi hindi pa nakaset yung date. 14 nakalagay. Sabi ko, ay shit, hindi niya ayos.
After 12 years, we are getting married. Grabe, wala akong sabi. Pero ang amazing lang, because of your courage to tell me I'm starting to like you ng pasukan, eto na tayo. Alam kong inaasar ka nila na nag-after 24 hours. Or natawag ka lang ni Mamang Asungot. Pero kita mo naman, nasa na tayo. Pero kidding aside, we had so many ups and downs. And ang daming times na sumuko ako. Pero thank you for...
I will be your home that will look forward to seeing you every day, your home that will be your safe haven, where you will always feel comfortable and safe, where you can rest and recover from everything you face all throughout. I will be your home that will always love you and everything about you. I will always stay and will always be your home.
Sorry.
Father, thank you for your word. And thank you, God, for this institution, this relationship, and this covenant called marriage. Thank you for the blessing of having a spouse, having a husband, or having a wife. And thank you, God, for every married couple here. I declare your blessing upon them.
Si Mama.